Hi, my name is Nuraida binti Jamaluddin.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hasana binti Bahari.
Hi, I'm Iwana.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Azrin. Today, me and my team member, we explain how to make OS installation Windows 10. As you know, OS is an abbreviation for operating system. It is software that manages computer hardware and software resources and provided public service for computer program. There are four main parts to the OS installation process. The main part is the preparation of installation disk. The second part of the installation of virtual machine, the third part of the installation of operating system, and the last one is setting up your operating system.
Now, I will show you part 1, preparation of installation disk. The first one is you should prepare a blank or empty USB flash drive at least 7 to 8 GB space. If your pen drive have some file, you can format and make it clear. Next, we go into the Chrome to download the Windows 10 and VirtualBox. The first thing we must do is download the VirtualBox. To download the VirtualBox, you must choose the Windows host because we use the Windows. And you must read all the requirement that you need to download the VirtualBox. Next, we're going to download the Windows 10. Windows 10 link you can get from the assignment guideline that be provided and the description below. Before you download the Windows 10, you must read all the lesson and the information have been provided. The most important is using the tool to create installation media. You must read before you download, because it will guide you how to install Windows 10. And the last important thing is you must check a few things on the PC where you want to install the Windows 10. Next, go to this PC and slash the download and you will find all your download file in this folder. Now, you click to the Windows 10 download folder. You have to wait a few seconds before the license and the term pop up. After the notice and the license term is pop up, you just click accept. Okay, because we want to do in USB flash drive, so you must choose create installation media. I recommend you use the recommendation option for the PC because it's the better option to use. After you click the next point, then they will go to the downloading Windows 10. You have to wait a few minutes until the process become 100% and then you finish.
The second step, which is the installation of virtual machine. My name is Nuraida binti Jamaluddin and I will teach you how to install a virtual machine. First of all, make sure that your PC or laptop are connected to internet. And then open any internet browser that you want. For me, I use Microsoft Edge. You also can use other internet browser such as Google Chrome. And then after you open the internet browser, type virtual machine at the tag at the search box and then search. There are many virtual machine that available in internet. This time, I will use Oracle Virtual Machine. Click this. Here are the Oracle VirtualBox. This is the description of VirtualBox. To proceed, click Download VirtualBox 6.1. Here, there are many platform packages that available. For me, I choose Windows Host because I am using Windows 10. After you click, the download will be start. The download process will depend on your internet connection. If you have a weak internet connection, it may take a little bit long, but if you have a strong internet connection, it will be very fast. If you have a very weak connection, you may download the virtual machine on your phone and then transfer the file from your phone to the PC or laptop that you want to install the virtual machine. After the download have been complete, click Open File. The windows are preparing to install the virtual machine. To proceed, click Next, and then Next, and again Next. The installation has started. After the installation have complete, you can tick at the box for Start Oracle VM VirtualBox after installation. This will open the virtual machine after you click Finish. And then after you click Finish, it will automatically open the virtual machine. And you are done.
And then click on Start. Okay, so this is a Windows 10 installation. Okay, and here we have to choose option that we want. So I'm gonna use English language. Time and currency, of course, Malaysia. And then keyboard US, and click on Next. And simply click on Install now. So I don't have a product key, so I will click on the I don't have a product key. And Windows will prompt you to choose your edition of Windows. Choose Windows 10 Pro, and then click on Next, and click on the Accept License Terms, and then click on Next. For this one, I will click on Custom because this is a new installation, and simply leave everything by default and click Next, and the installation will begin. So now after this initial phase of the install, the virtual machine will restart automatically and the installation will continue. Again, then just wait a moment, and then start with region. So I click Malaysia, I choose Malaysia, and I click Next. and then I choose US for keyboard layout, and then next. This one just click skip. This part is a little bit longer, so we have to just wait. The create account. Okay, now put our Gmail here. Any kind of account, but I choose Gmail. Create a password. Next. And set a country and birth date. And then create a pin. And then choose privacy setting for your device. So I'm just gonna click no for everything because it's privacy. Next. Okay, so I'm not gonna put my phone in this PC, so no thanks. Okay, we're almost done for OS installation. Now we just have to wait. And done.
So after the installation, we must do setting up the operation system. Okay, first I will show the desktop icon. Okay, we go to the setting and choose personalization and click the terms. Then we choose a desktop icon setting. Then after that, you will click the desktop icon, computer, user file, network, recycle bin, control panel, and click OK. And then you will see the icon at the desktop. Then we have to change the wallpaper to logo UiTM. Just go to your files, go to the files and find a logo UiTM and then set as a background of desktop. Now what? We have to do is install the device drivers at the device manager. So you need to choose other device and then click it and check the device driver status, the details and the updation. After that, you just check your device drivers are already installed or not, and if are already installed, you can close it. Now we will go to the disk partition, go to the computer management and click the disk management and you can see many disks of partition, and click the one of the partition and then enter the amount of space to shrink. After that, you will proceed to the next. So there, set up the disk partition and allocate. Then we can create the new simple volume, and then just create it with the format partition, and then finish that you have set up it. So to check the disk partition, you can go to the files and check the disk partition on new volume, so you can get it. Next, we could continue to set up the virtual memory. Go to the setting and click advanced system settings, and then choose the advanced. Click the setting and then we choose advanced again and change the virtual memory. Set up the initial size and maximum size. After that, click OK. And then the process are done. Now we go to create user account. Go to the setting and change account setting. Then you choose family and other users, and then add someone else to this PC. After that, you have to take several minutes for this process. Then we have to set up a user for this PC who's going to use this PC. So I write my name, and then we have to change account type to the administrator. Then you are done for this process. Next, create a group account. So go to the computer management again and choose a local user and group, and then choose the group and create the new group. Just adjust the name like a new user or what, and then the description, the new user education, or what the names you want to write. Then click the object names to slash. Other than that, slash the types of object. And then you can find in advance, you can find your group in advance. Okay, after that we go to the share a folder, you just choose a folder that you want to share. Like my folder to share is music, so just click the sharing and click the share, then set up the name to everyone. After that, the permission level is read or write, and then you can start to share. After that, this may take a few minutes, and then the items are sharing now, and the folder is shared. So it's done. For this process. Now, I will share about how to run Task Manager. So go to the Task Manager, just find it in setting, okay, and then look at the Task Manager. In setting, photo, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Adobe Premiere Pro, and many applications that you open at a time, and then you can see the performance, app history, startup, users detail service on the Task Manager. And then after that, you will end a task or run a task. Just click at the button that prepared there. Lastly, run Device Manager. So just go to the control panel and then search Device Manager, then click it, and then as you can see now, we click to the camera and then click the webcam. So the device status is working properly, so it's okay, your device manager is in a good condition. So that's all for setting up operating system. Thank you.
In conclusion, Windows 10 has many benefits that you can get from the previous version of Windows. Among the benefits, it has the convenience of app, movie and game. If you still use Windows 7, you do not have an app store. Windows 10 let you find software you need for large and small tasks, and you can run the app either window or full screen. Next, the Windows 10 introduced the Secure Box feature for the Windows 8 and make it more secure. And Windows 10 finally bring the capability to Microsoft Discord operating system. It's easy to use. Just click on the tab task switching icon next to the Cortana search box in the taskbar. That's all for us. Thank you. I hope you will enjoy our video.